And how about that? Netflix blowing away expectations on subscriber numbers. How about that for a pleasant headline? Netflix added 7.66 million paid subscribers during the fourth quarter, more than the 4.57 million Wall Street expected, which is the key. Never mind your own projections. What does Wall Street say? Wall Street says you're only going to get 4.5 million. You go do 7.6. I'm going to guess that those are outside the U.S., but we'll see. This is the first quarter that Netflix's ad tier is reflected in the earnings. So we got some people on the cheaper deal. And he's still stepping down anyways with these positive numbers. And I think it has to do with revenue, right? So you've got more subscribers, but they're paying less than they used to. There we go. EPS, 12 cents versus 45 cents per share, according to Refinitiv. Revenue, 7.85 billion, according to the same group. I don't know why they wrote it twice. Global paid net subscribers, 7.66 million ads compared to 4.5 previously. Netflix's EPS missed largely due to a loss related to denominated debt, but its margins of 7% still topped Wall Street's expectations. The depreciation of the U.S. dollar compared to the euro during the fourth quarter isn't an operational loss. So even the revenue, which is curious because you might look at the revenue and say, well, now you've got this cheaper tier, and therefore maybe your revenue goes down. Maybe you add subscribers, but revenue goes down. That wasn't the case. It still went up. We wouldn't be getting into this business if it couldn't be a meaningful portion of our business, said Spencer Neumann, the company's chief financial officer, during the call. We're over $30 billion in revenue, almost $32 billion in revenue in 2022. And we wouldn't get into a business like this if we didn't believe it could be bigger than at least 10% of our revenue. I presume he's talking about the ad-supported portion. So listen, they're going to keep tweaking and going, and hopefully this fresh blood in there, these youngsters, the new CEOs, yeah, they might have ideas. Maybe they come hit people like us up. Well, we bring the youth, don't we?
Well, I don't know about that.
We bring the cutting edge.
Yeah.
We bring the glass onions, do we not?
Yeah, there's, that's fine.
I can put on an accent. I can Daniel Craig it if you need be. Up to you.